Good morning. This is a recording for Sunday, September 28th. The Zen story for today is titled The Day the Monkey Was Right. They didn't plan to find the temple. It emerged from mist, terraced rooftops draped in ivy, prayer flags shifting with a gentle wind. Monks moved through the grounds like brushstrokes, each one different. One tall, one hunched, one laughing softly to himself as he swept stone steps already clean. Their rhythms clashed, yet somehow sang in harmony. Finally, the monkey said, a place that understands ceremony. They were given tea without being asked. No questions, no explanations. A bell rang once. In a small courtyard, under a fig tree whose roots tangled like stories, sat the master, barefoot, wrinkled, still. His eyes studied them as if reading two lines from the same scroll. You've come far, he said, so I will ask just once. He held up three fingers. One is fire, one is shadow, one is wind. Which burns without leaving ash? Before the monk could open his mouth, the monkey leapt forward. Wind, it shouted. The master nodded. Correct. The monkey burst into celebration. It somersaulted. It bowed deeply, twice to the master, once to itself. I knew it, it cried. I am now enlightened. Please prepare a robe in gold, and perhaps a title. Sage of Invisible Flames has a nice ring to it. The other monks simply watched, their faces serene. One of them was feeding birds, another was playing a silent flute. None said a word. The master smiled gently. It shall be arranged. The monkey ran off to draft his teachings. The monk lingered, bowl in hand. The master leaned closer. His voice dropped to a whisper. Does he know, he asked, that you were also correct? The monk did not answer. A breeze moved through the courtyard, shaking one prayer flag, just one, and beneath the fig tree, nothing burned. Now take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to relax your body, arriving into stillness. Maybe close your eyes and take a few nice, satisfying breaths in and out. Feel the breath enter your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you, the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment, and when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now take a moment to reflect. Can a right answer still be incomplete if it comes from the wrong place? Can a right answer still be incomplete if it comes from the wrong place? Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. Can a right answer still be incomplete if it comes from the wrong place? As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a lovely day, and I will see you tomorrow.